Welcome to BioStation. BioStation is the electronic health record system that helps you stay connected. In order to see if BioStation is right for you, we'd like to show you a few features in the software that will help save you time and improve your office efficiency. BioStation makes it both simple and quick to take care of your basic patient tasks rapidly and with a minimum of navigation. In this brief demo, we will cover how you can quickly write a note, send prescriptions electronically, and review and order labs. When you first log into BioStation, you'll see there are a number of different small applications within one view. This will save you time from having to navigate to different tabs and windows. Let's start out by creating a note. From the initial screen, you can select a patient based on the patient ID or by name. Immediately after selecting a patient, it takes very little effort to create a new note based on a template or view the last note that was written for the patient if you should need to make changes. You'll create the note in the Quick Note window by clicking LN for last note, or take advantage of one of the templates that may have already been created by another doctor or an organization. Two types of templates can be created. The first is a pure text template, which is convenient for the Quick Note view. Web form templates include point-and-click elements, such as text, diagnosis, procedure, and vital signs information. Whenever you create a note with a template, the text is once again presented in editable format within the Quick Note view. Immediately below the Quick Note view, you will find a listing of past notes in order with the most recent first. Notes can be searched by date range as well. In this next area, you can view and scan documents into the system. This includes the ability to also scan paper documents. This is the Trends area. It shows a trend of vital signs, including blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, temperature, pulse oxygen measurement, and weight. All of these entries are database elements. You can query and generate reports for groups of patients for any of the variables in the vital signs view. Moving to the upper right, you can see the RX or prescription window, which is for electronic prescriptions. To use this area, select a pharmacy by entering its zip code. After selecting one or more medicines, click the Order button to select the quantity of medication. Once you have clicked Done Prescribing, the BioStation submits the medication electronically to the pharmacy that has been selected. It's that easy. Now let's take a look at the Labs window. This window shows lab results that have been submitted electronically to the application. Once again, the view of lab results is similar to that of notes, with the most recently reported lab results shown first. You can search lab results by date range. Below Labs, you'll find the Medication List window. The medication list is different than the prescription history because you can document medications that have been reported by a patient and which may be different than medications you have prescribed. The Order Labs window is where you can order lab tests. Similar to the prescription interface, you can order one or more lab tests to be sent electronically. You can also print a lab order requisition and give it to the patient so that they can take the requisition to the center where their blood will be drawn. It is easy to see that the vast majority of the work that you must complete is available from one single window. This offers a number of advantages. This web-based system requires less navigation and less window refreshing, and you can work on any task in any order depending on the workflow of your office. It's time to take a moment to look at some of the subtabs. The Lab subtab shows a listing of new lab results. All new lab results are listed in order so that you can see the results quickly. You can also create a note for that lab and send that note to anyone in the office about it. Any documentation made for that lab is automatically filed into your patient's record, which is great for documentation. When you click on the RX tab, you'll see three functions in this window. Pending allows you to approve prescriptions that have been written by a clerk in the office. In BioStation, clerks are permitted to write a prescription on your behalf, but they cannot be sent to the pharmacy until you approve it. And finally, the Outgoing Prescriptions tab shows prescriptions that have been submitted and allows you to easily see their status. Incoming prescriptions are all refill requests, and you can approve or disapprove refill requests that have been sent by pharmacies and patients. The amount of paperwork saved by using refill requests is really significant. In the past, the average doctor's office would follow this workflow just to fill a prescription. Receive a fax of a refill request from the pharmacy. Assign it to the appropriate physician. Have the physician make the decision on the prescription. Fax the refill request back to the pharmacy, and finally, file the refill request into the patient's chart. Now, all of these steps can be eliminated by using BioStation, with a significant gain in your efficiency. And here are a few other advantages. BioStation has been built as part of a health information exchange. Every patient is associated with a primary care physician. Clicking on the primary care physician's name allows you to see the primary care physician's preferred specialist listing. And you can see the demographic information that is available with just one click. And look how simple it is to add a new patient to the system. This covers some of the basic functions of BioStation. We hope you can see how easy and flexible it is to manage the most commonly performed tasks in a doctor's office with just a few short clicks. And we look forward to working with you soon.